Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's podcast, we are going to discuss an important management position, the service manager, also commonly known as a maintenance manager in maintenance-focused organizations. A service manager is responsible for managing service operations, supervising service teams, coordinating maintenance activities, handling customer concerns, and ensuring that services are completed efficiently and to the required quality standards. But what exactly does a service manager do? What are the roles and responsibilities? What are the daily duties? And what skills and qualities are required? Let's understand everything in simple language. First, let's understand what is a service manager. A service manager is a professional who manages an organization's service activities and ensures that customers receive timely, reliable, and quality service. In maintenance-based organizations, the service manager may also manage equipment maintenance, repairs, technicians, preventive maintenance, breakdown response, and service schedules. The exact responsibilities depend on the industry and organization. Now let's talk about the roles and responsibilities of a service manager. One of the main responsibilities is managing service operations. The service manager plans and coordinates daily service activities to ensure that customer requirements and operational targets are met. Another important responsibility is supervising service or maintenance staff. They assign jobs, monitor performance, guide technicians and service employees, and ensure that work is completed properly. Another major duty is service scheduling. They coordinate service requests, technician availability, maintenance schedules, customer appointments, and job priorities. Another important responsibility is customer service management. The service manager communicates with customers, understands their concerns, provides updates, and works to resolve service-related problems. Another duty is handling customer complaints. They investigate complaints, identify the cause of service issues, and coordinate appropriate solutions. Another important responsibility is maintenance management. In maintenance-focused roles, the service manager oversees preventive maintenance, corrective maintenance, inspections, repairs, and breakdown-related activities. Another duty is monitoring service quality. They check whether services are being completed according to company standards, technical requirements, safety procedures, and customer expectations. Another important responsibility is managing spare parts and service resources. Depending on the organization, they may coordinate the availability of spare parts, tools, equipment, vehicles, and other resources required for service work. Another duty is monitoring service costs. They may track labor, spare parts, repair costs, and other service expenses to help control operational costs. Another important responsibility is preparing reports. The service manager may prepare reports related to service requests, completed jobs, pending work, breakdowns, maintenance activities, customer complaints, costs, and team performance. Another duty is ensuring safety and compliance. They ensure that service and maintenance activities follow applicable workplace safety procedures and organizational requirements. Now let's discuss the daily work of a service manager. A typical day may begin by reviewing pending service requests, maintenance schedules, breakdowns, customer complaints, and technician availability. The service manager assigns work to service staff and checks the progress of ongoing jobs. During the day, they may communicate with customers, resolve operational issues, monitor service quality, coordinate spare parts, and support technicians with difficult problems. They may also review service reports, analyze performance, manage schedules, and communicate important issues to senior management. At the end of the day, they may check completed jobs, pending requests, customer feedback, and the next day's service schedule. The exact routine depends on the industry. Now let's talk about the skills required to become a service manager. The first important skill is service operations management. They should understand how service activities are planned, scheduled, executed, monitored, and completed. The second important skill is team management. A service manager needs to lead technicians, service engineers, supervisors, and other staff. Another important skill is customer service. They should know how to understand customer requirements, communicate clearly, and resolve service concerns professionally. Technical knowledge can also be important, especially in maintenance and equipment-related industries. Depending on the industry, knowledge of machinery, electrical systems, mechanical systems, vehicles, HVAC, industrial equipment, or other technical areas may be required. Another useful skill is problem solving. Service managers frequently deal with breakdowns, delays, complaints, resource shortages, and technical problems. Planning and scheduling skills are also essential for coordinating multiple service jobs. Another important skill is communication because service managers work with customers, technicians, suppliers, management, and other departments. Reporting and computer skills are also useful for maintaining service records, analyzing performance, and preparing reports. Now let's discuss the qualities of a good service manager. A good service manager should be responsible, organized, confident, patient, professional, customer-focused, analytical, and decisive. Another important quality is leadership. They need to guide service teams and maintain good performance. Calmness under pressure is also important because breakdowns, urgent service requests, and customer complaints can occur unexpectedly. Another quality is problem-solving ability. They should be able to identify the root cause of service problems and take appropriate action. Customer orientation is also important because service quality directly affects customer satisfaction. Another important quality is accountability. A service manager should take responsibility for service performance and ensure that problems are followed through to resolution. Now let's talk about qualification and eligibility. Requirements vary depending on the industry and organization. Technical service manager or maintenance manager positions may prefer candidates with a diploma or degree in mechanical, electrical, electronics, automobile, civil, industrial engineering, or another relevant technical field. In customer service-focused industries, employers may prefer candidates with qualifications in business, management, hospitality, or a related field, depending on the role. Relevant experience in service operations, maintenance, technical support, customer service, or team supervision is commonly valuable. Now let's look at some common workplaces for service managers. They can work in automobile service centers, manufacturing companies, hotels, hospitals, facility management companies, equipment companies, engineering companies, HVAC businesses, electronic service organizations, and other service-based industries. Now let's discuss the career path of a service manager. With experience and additional skills, a service manager may progress into roles such as senior service manager, service operations manager, maintenance manager, regional service manager, operations manager, or service head, depending on the organization. Developing skills in service management, maintenance planning, technical expertise, customer relationship management, team leadership, cost control, and operations management can support career growth. Before applying for a service manager position, always check the specific job description. Pay attention to the technical qualification, industry experience, team management responsibilities, shift requirements, customer service responsibilities, travel requirements, maintenance duties, and other job conditions. Let's quickly summarize today's topic. A service manager manages service operations through service scheduling, team supervision, customer support, complaint handling, maintenance management, quality control, resource coordination, reporting, and safety management. Important skills include service operations, team management, customer service, technical knowledge, problem solving, scheduling, communication, and reporting. Important qualities include leadership, responsibility, organization, patience, professionalism, customer focus, calmness, accountability, and decision-making. For people interested in service operations, technical maintenance, customer service, and team management, a service manager role can be a strong career opportunity. That's all for today's podcast. I hope this explanation helped you understand the service manager job description, roles, responsibilities, duties, skills, and qualities. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode.